Presenting a pre-owned 2006 Toyota Highlander Limited. This 4-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 115,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, 6-disc CD changer, and power sunroof.